Okay, people, in this video we are going to raise an incident, okay, from scratch. So first step is we must to reach out to this main screen and go to menu, all menu, and here you can type instance. We have self-services and service desk. So let's go to most common service desk. Just click on incidents here and it's gonna take us to another screen, and in this screen we can see the table with all of incidents already in in progress or open. So you can see the total here, the total 48, right? So here it's the page. If you go to the next page, okay, 3 pages. Okay, doesn't matter. Just to show you the how to navigate among the pages. Okay, the first step is we needed to click on the new button to create a new instance. So let's see what's going to happen after you click on new button. I just click it. Let's wait for a few seconds. It's escaped to another screen and see some fields was filled out automatically, like number, and this we have some default values here, right? Probably it's gonna change by us, by depend on what you are going to put here, but by default the administrator puts the lowest one, the lowest mean. So we have a high, medium, and low. So the low is the lowest. The same here, 1, 2, 3. The default one is 3, and the same here. The priority you have more than one, and they decide to put the 5 as default. Okay, so here we don't need to do anything because the information is already there. Caller. Caller means who is reporting the problem. So he's the user who is requesting the uh, the support, right? So you can click here to see the list of users. So let's pretend we are raising a incident for this person here. Okay, so let's go. Okay, you just select the able in the list. Here you don't type anything, you just select. And now the category. The category, let's pretend software. Software and subcategory, let's put email. And service, all you need is fill up all these fields one by one. Okay, and look, when I had a when I have a red star like this, it's me. It's a mandatory field, so we need to type sync here. So let's put email is low. Email is low. Okay, great. And then the signing group is another one you must fill up. You can put anything here that is not related to email. So let's put help desk and assign it to. You don't need to assign actually to a person itself, only to a group. and that's it. So there is nothing to do. You can optionally put any work notes here, but it's not required. Okay, so now we have our incident number here. Let's copy. Actually, you don't need to copy because it's already there. All you need to do here at this point is click on this star, on this star. When you click on this star, what is gonna happen? It was added to favorite menu. Okay, as you see, it's here. So now let's submit. Okay, remember we create a ticket to that person. Let's see again. Favorites, incident. Let's remember the users. Okay, what happened? What gonna happen? What happened here? Mm, see, let's go back. For any reason, when you asked for that one you open, it's not correct. It was supposed to choose to list the one we created, not and not. No, it's not correct. So there is an issue here, but it's not a operation. It's something related to ServiceNow itself. Okay. Anyway, so let's go come back here to incidents, open incidents, and let's go to the updated, updated. It's here. Okay. Okay, great. Let's go again and add the favorites once again. Let's see what is gonna happen. Ah, makes sense. Okay, people. So you see the difference when when you click an incident, create an incident. If you put the starting incident create, it's going to create a new one whenever you click on here. So must pay attention in difference of the two options. Incident create, it will um, create a new one, all right? And this one, you are going to create, here is going to show up the one is already there. So pay attention this. Okay, so it was not considered this number actually, it's just create a new one. Okay, okay, great. So let's remember here, who is the caller? Okay, now you need to copy this name, and now you go here and let's log off assisted administrator and log in again by using another user. Okay, so let's go here, then impersonate user. Okay, go to impersonate user, and here you're going to paste the number we have, the first one and the top one, and click on impersonate user. So let's see what's going to happen. Okay, great. We just log off assisted administrator. Now we are logged as another user, and here, um, okay, let's see what happened because the incident should be here. Okay, um, it's not here. New task. Let's refresh. Okay, so actually it was supposed to be here. but it's not here. Let's click an incident here. Incident, incidents. It's here. Okay, so it's not showing the dashboard, but it's here. Let's add it to, okay, it's not related to dashboard itself, but when you open the incident, we can see here in his queue, in the his queue. Okay, let's see. And let's suppose I am able and I solve the problem. So see, the problem was solved. The server was restarted. The web server was res refreshed. Was refreshed. Refresh. Refreshed. 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 And then you just update, and now the web server was refreshed and resolved. So now the status of this ticket is resolved, but it's still there, right? It's still there. And how can you know if this the status of this ticket? You can come here and add a state, like state. Okay, let's put the other, no, let's leave here. Can you see? We have our link here and resolved because the state is the last column here. If you want to change the position and put the second in the order, change the order, put it at the first column, for example, it's here. Okay, here you control the order of things. So let's remove back and leave as it was in the previous screen, and you're done. Okay, it's very easy. Bye bye.